In this video, we're going to cover how to use the flip calculator on Pelago to estimate your target purchase price or your estimated profit. The first thing to note is that everything you see in orange is editable. For example, if we want to edit the carrying time from 6 months to 5 months, we can just go ahead and change the number. If you want to change the after repair value to 900,000, we can just type that in. The arrows, when we click those, open up to show additional costs. For example, buying costs and carrying costs. Some of these costs we can edit directly by clicking on them. So for example, if we wanted to add a other cost of $500 to buy the property, we can type in 500, click save, and then that cost will persist. We can't update the origination fees or the interest payments from our loan because those are editable on the left side. If we click on this arrow, it'll open up all of our assumptions for our purchase loan, including our down payment, our interest rate, and our points. Points are the origination fee for actually originating the loan itself. We can see these noted on the right side as our buying costs. We see a $10,000 origination fee for our purchase loan and an $800 origination fee for our rehab loan. If we change this number from 2 to say 1.5, we can see that the origination fee for our purchase loan went down, but the origination fee for our rehab loan did not. Likewise, if we're looking at our carrying costs and we want to change an interest rate from, say, 8% to 10%, we'll see that reflected on the interest rate charge, but just for the rehab loan in our carrying costs. If we close up these arrows to get a view of the entire calculator, we can see that there are two numbers that are going to be working very side by side. Any number that we change affects the profit, except if we change the profit, that's going to change the purchase price. So if we only need to make, say, $50,000 in profit, we can type in that $50,000, and when we click out, it's going to adjust our purchase price accordingly. Now you'll notice that below it no longer says $50,000 exactly. It actually says $50,124. This is because the way the calculator works, there's some circular logic that will kind of infinitely keep rounding the property. If you want it to look better, you can try typing in 50,000 again and seeing if it gets a little bit closer. In either case, while you're going through your numbers, make sure to click Save in the top right corner to keep track of your changes.